Hello everyone. In our session for today is that we will try to solve another board problem under the category of ISAD. By this time, we will have more focus about torsion. Let us now start solving a sample problem. Our C board problem is all about torsion, and allow me to read the problem. What is the minimum diameter of a solid steel shaft that will not twist through more than 3 degrees in a 6-meter length when subjected to a torque of 12 kilonewton meter? What maximum shearing stress is developed? Use G equals 83 gigapascal. For the start of our solution process, let us try enumerating first all the givens that we will use in solving the problem. Our first given is the angle of twist, 3 degrees, wherein we are about to convert it later to pi radian. Our second given is the length of our solid steel shaft, which is equal to 6 meters or 6,000 millimeters. And the third one among our givens is the torque value, which is amounting to 12 kilonewtons meter or 12 times 10 to the 6 newton dash millimeters. And for our next given, the modulus of rigidity, which is equal to 83 gigapascal or 83 times 10 to the 3 Newton per square millimeters. But of course, we must not forget to convert first the value of our theta to radians or the angle of twist to pi radian from degree measures. Our given theta is equal to 3 degrees, and if we're going to multiply it by pi radian over 180, our angle of twist value now is 3 pi radian over 180 degrees. Coming up next, let us now try to use the formula for the angle of twist. Our angle of twist formula theta is equal to TL over JG, wherein the value of our J is equal to pi d to the 4 over 32. By the way, what do we mean by the variable J? J is actually the polar moment of inertia. Let us now substitute the value of J to theta. After the substitution process, theta now is equal to TL all over pi d to the 4 over 32 multiplied by the modulus of rigidity G. And then simplifying it again, our theta value is now 32 TL all over pi d to the 4 G. By this time, let us now substitute the values of theta, T, L, and G to solve for the D. After the substitution process, our equation now is 3 pi over 180 equals 32 times 12 times 10 to the 6 times 6,000 all over pi d to the 4 and 83 times 10 to the 3. Calculating for it using our Casio or Canon calculator, our final answer to D is 113.98 millimeters. Let us now solve for the maximum shearing stress developed. And the formula that we will use is equal to 16 times T all over pi d cubed. Let us now do the substitution process. Our shearing stress equation now is equal to 16 times 12 times 10 to the 6 all over pi, and of course all over 113.98 to the third power. Finally, for the value of our shearing stress is equal to 41.27 megapascal. Now let us have a summary. Finally, for the summary of our answers, D is equals to 113.98 millimeters, while our shearing stress is equal to 41.27 megapascal. Thank you very much, my dear viewers. God bless us all.